right, so we're in lab 4. We're going to do a little bit of Whois footprinting. And for this one, we're starting off right here in Windows 11. Let me click on the link. And then I'm going to move this out of the way. And what we're going to do is log on in. And I'm going to log in with capital PAW0RD. You might already be logged into that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up any browser, which is, of course, Firefox. And in Firefox, we're going to, let's see, Firefox updater. No updating, please. Thank you very much. Then we're going to go to https://whoisdomaintools.com. Actually, we need to go to Whois. .domaintools.com. Hit enter. And we're going to dismiss the update. There we go. That is step number 1. Step number 2 is to go to the window right here. Oh, I love how that follows your mouse around. Isn't that cool? Look at that. I love those graphics. That's nice. www.certifiedhacker.com. It's trying to catch up with my typing, and I'm going to hit enter. I have to validate that I'm not a robot. However, I am a bio being. Right on, look at, there it is, certifiedhacker.com. And it gives me, let me do a control+ here, zoom in a little bit, make it easier to see. And it gives me network solutions, LLC, and other information about, if you go to task number 3 or step number 3, it says that the search result reveals information associated with the URL www.certifiedhacker.com, including IP addresses, location, etc., as shown in the screenshots. And it says, and so we can look at that. IP addresses, registry information. By the way, right over here in the actual Whois record, for something that is fairly unlocked, not only you'll be able to find location information, but the name of the people or the company, phone numbers. You can see right here where it says relevant phone and stuff like that. So sometimes you can see quite a lot of information. All right, step number 4 says this concludes the demonstration. Step number 5, it says that you can use this to get information for things like social engineering. Step number 6, it also says that you can use other Whois lookup tools like SmartWhois, which is going to be at www.tamos.com, and the batch IP converter at sabsoft.com or sobsoft.com, and which you can go and visit if you want while you're here in the lab. But we're going to go to number 7, which says to close all windows. There we go. Got that done. And document the required information. So if you were actually running a pen test or whatever, you would need to document everything. There's one question that they would like you to answer, and then hit the score button if you want to check. I encourage you to do that, but we're going to skip that and move on to the next lab.